Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I am Satsangmu Egwin with the evening news. The headlines. ECI announces Bypolls to 7 Rajya Sabha seats from 6 states to be held on 4th October. Rajnath Singh and Gadkari inaugurates emergency landing field on National Highway in Barmer. Department of School Education announces essay writing competition for government school teachers in Nagaland. IIT Madras tops the rankings in National Institution Ranking Framework 2021. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our young listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari today inaugurated emergency landing field on National Highway 925 at Gandav Bagasar section at Barmer in Rajasthan. Rajnath Singh said that India is always ready to protect its unity and sovereignty and it has the ability to face any challenges. Nitin Gadkari said that such landing fields are being developed at 20 places in other states of the country as well. 5 such landing fields are being developed in Assam. He further said that the government is constructing 38 kilometers of road per day, which is the highest in the world. Minister of State for External Affairs Meenakshi Lekhi said that India will continue to be a force multiplier for peace building with an emphasis on the human-centric approach. She was speaking at the UN Security Council open debate on UN peacekeeping operations transitions yesterday. Lekhi highlighted that India is the largest troop contributor to the UN peacekeeping operations in cumulative terms, deploying more than 250,000 peacekeepers across 49 UN missions. The minister said that India's commitment bears testimony towards contributing a reliable, well-trained and highly professional peacekeeping force. She further said that the country is willing to donate vaccines for all UN peacekeepers and upgrade 2 of its hospitals for peacekeeping to combat the pandemic. IIT Madras topped in the overall category in National Institutional Ranking Framework. IISc Bengaluru came second, followed by IIT Bombay at the 3rd place in the ranking. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan released the NIRF Rankings 2021 today. The rankings have been released under various categories, including engineering, pharmacy, management, and overall research. Along with the overall rankings, stream-wise rankings have also been released. The complete list of the rankings for all top institutes is available on the official website of NIRF on nirfindia.org. Department of School Education announced an essay writing competition under the Nagaland Education Project, The Lighthouse, Nectar, on the topic Educational Vision, Best Practices in School Governance and Management for government school teachers in Nagaland. Teachers from all government schools in Nagaland can participate from wherever they are based and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. The closing date for the submission is on or before 6 p.m. 20th September. Entries must be submitted only through school authorities via email to contact@nagalandeduproject.com or WhatsApp phone number 9863605643. For more details on the competition and submission rules, log in to www.education.nagaland.gov.in. This news comes to you from All India Radio Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. As our nation celebrates the 75th year of independence, a series of events are being organized by the government as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. To commemorate the occasion as a Jan Utsav, we present India at 75 quiz with AIR News Kohima, a special quiz on India's freedom movement and its glorious history, every Thursday in the evening news bulletin. And here goes our question of the week for English Bulletin. Which act made by the British government in 1919 is known as Black Law? I repeat, which act made by the British government in 1919 is known as Black Law? Listeners can send their responses to the question to our email airnewskohimaindia75@gmail.com and SMS or WhatsApp to 9485239950. I repeat, 9485239950, along with name and address. The first correct answer received from the participant will be selected as the winner and will be announced in tomorrow's morning news at 7:30 a.m. The Election Commission of India today announced that bypolls to 7 Rajya Sabha seats from 6 states will be held on October 4th. The notification for the election will be issued on 15th September, with the last day of making nominations on 22nd September. Manas Ranjan Bhunia from West Bengal, Biswajit Daimari from Assam, KB Munuswamy and R. Vaidilingam from Tamil Nadu have resigned from their seats. One seat from Maharashtra fell vacant due to death of Rajya Sabha. One seat to the upper house from Madhya Pradesh fell vacant after Dhawarjan Gehlot resigned to become governor of Karnataka. Over 27 lakh unorganized workers have been registered on e-Shram portal since its launch last month. Minister of State for Labour and Employment Rameshwar Teli said that the creation of a national database of all unorganized workers will help the government in focusing on targeted and last-mile delivery on the welfare schemes for the unorganized workers. He therefore urged to spread the word about the portal and its benefits to those workers registering on the portal. The minister informed that the registration also provides 2 lakh rupees accidental insurance cover. If a worker is registered on the e-Shram portal and meets with an accident, he will be eligible for 2 lakh rupees on death or permanent disability and 1 lakh rupees on partial disability. Smoke-Free District Headquarter campaign was launched today at DC's Conference Hall, Longlang. Deputy Commissioner and Chairman M. Shayung Pom appraised that District-Level Coordinator Committee and District Tobacco Control Cell constituted and launched the campaign. The Deputy Commissioner encouraged the newly constituted committee to take up town inspection and enforcement of its activities with utmost courage and efficiency. District Nodal Official Dr. Bongao Pom said that the main objective of the program was to strengthen Section 4 COPTA Act 2003, no smoking in public places, and to strengthen awareness to protect non-smokers from danger of smoke who are exposed to second-hand smokers in the workplace and children at home. Nagaland today recorded 25 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, 70 recoveries and 0 deaths. With this, the caseload in the state has increased to 30,510. So far, 28,296 have recovered from the infection. Total COVID death remained 620. Of the fresh cases detected today, 10 were from Dimapur, 7 in Kohima, 2 each in Mokokchung and Woka, 1 each in Pek, Kifre, Longlang and Mon. And to end the news, here are the headlines once again. ECI announces bypolls to 7 Rajya Sabha seats from 6 states to be held on October 4th. Rajnath Singh and Gadkari inaugurates emergency landing field on National Highway in Barmer. Department of School Education announces essay writing competition for government school teachers in Nagaland. IIT Madras tops the rankings in National Institutional Ranking Framework 2021. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Have a pleasant night.